Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go over how to install Anaconda in your Windows operating system. So Anaconda is a package manager and environment manager in Python distribution that contains a collection of many open source packages. So let's get started. So the first thing is to open your favorite browser and type in the search Anaconda download. So just click this website and the website you can choose Python 3 or Python 2. So in this case, choose the Python 3 and just click to download button. And the next is to just click to run. So just wait to the download. So it is a big file and takes some minutes. So when the download is finished, the installation is started. A second. So when the installation is started, so just click to the next button, and next is a license agreement. Just click I agree and select the installation type. In this case, just click to the next. So install for just me. So next, and here is the location to install. Here is the destination folder. So just click to the next button, and the advanced option, just click to install, and the installation will start. So when the installation is finished, just click to the next button and next, and just uncheck this checkbox and just click to finish. So the next video will show how you can open this application. So thank you for watching and see you later.